Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a mirror on a Ram 1500. Before we begin, it's important to gather all your necessary tools. You'll need a trim tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet with a 10mm socket, and a new mirror assembly. For safety, always disconnect your truck's battery. Also, consider using masking tape around the mirror to protect your paint from accidental scratches. Having everything ready makes the job much smoother. Now, let's get that old mirror off. First, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel. Use your trim tool to pry off plastic covers and a Phillips head screwdriver for any retaining screws. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connectors for the mirror. Then, using your 10mm socket and ratchet, unscrew the 3 nuts that secure the mirror to the door. With the nuts removed, gently pull the mirror away, guiding any wires through the opening. With the old mirror off, it's time for the new one. Carefully thread the new mirror's electrical wiring through the opening in the door. Align the mirror assembly with the 3 mounting holes. Start by hand tightening the 3 retaining nuts to ensure proper alignment, then use your 10mm socket and ratchet to fully secure them. Finally, reconnect all the electrical plugs to the new mirror, making sure they click firmly into place. Almost done? Now, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap into place and any screws are tightened. Once the panel is secure, reconnect your vehicle's battery. It's crucial to test your new mirror's functionality. Check the power adjustments, turn signals, and heating elements if your mirror has them. Ensure everything works perfectly and the mirror is firmly attached before you hit the road. Great job! You've successfully replaced your Ram 1500 mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.